Alright, this came from Holley Performance. I don't know if I can say anything for this one. Oh! Come in.
My god.
Oh, stickers! Sorry, I really like stickers. Yo! That's crazy! Hold on, let's get you in a Holley shirt. There you go, B. Thanks.
Oh, look how cute this is.
Oh, they give us like how to build their carburetors and everything. Oh, it's really cute! And they gave us tools.
And kits.
They got us a parts tray. That's really cool.
And another one.
That's so cool. What's this? They're glasses! Oh, yeah. I may gotta rock these. I feel cool in these.
Oh my god.
Look at the sides. Those are sick. They're like fat too.
That's so cool.
Oh, they gave us like two. They gave us so many stickers. Oh, they're all different. That's insane. Oh, I love stickers so much.
Yeah, that's the race car.
Yeah, it's all the race car stickers.
Goes on your front fender.
I got box number Dose from Holley. And they feel like carbs. Very packaged well. From Holley. Here, muscle.
Whoa. Packaged well.
A box in a box, even more mysterious.
They say those are dominators. Dominators.
Oh, these are really nice to pack.
Ooh, what the what? What are these?
They're nice. They're like
Yeah.
750
Look at this one.
double pumpers.
That's a different one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like
What? These are cool. Those are so different.
Yeah. I think they're the same.
Oh, no, they're different.
Never mind.
They're different, babe.
Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Huh?
Looking at which
Trying to
sticker
find out what
goes on
sticker's
her
going on my car.
Thank you, Holley.